P, Q, R be three propositions and the expression P imply Q imply R be a contradiction, then the value of the expression R imply P imply Q is. We will use truth table as usual to solve this problem. P, Q, R, false, false, true. Given is P imply Q whole imply R is contradiction. Let's see when they are contradiction. P imply Q imply R. P imply Q. See, P imply Q is false whenever P is true and Q is false. Then the P imply Q is false. Otherwise, when P is true and Q is true, P imply Q is true. P is false, Q is also false. P imply Q is true. P is false and Q is true. Then also P imply Q is true. Using this truth table, I will apply here 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1. Now we will simply write the value of R 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Now 1 implies 0 is 0, 1 implies 1 is 1, 1 implies 0 is 0, 1 implies 1 is 1, 0 implies 0 is 1, 1 0 1. You may replace this, you may replace this. We have to find the value of this expression whenever this expression is false. This expression is false at this place, false at this place, again false at this place. At these three places we have to find the value of this expression. So R imply P, R imply P imply Q. Here value of R is 0, value of P is also 0, 0 implies 0 is 1. Replace this, replace this. Value of Q is 0, 1 implies 0 is 0. You may cut this, cut this. Again here value of R is 0, value of P is again 0, 0 implies 0 is 1. Remove this, remove this. Value of Q in this is 1, 1 implies 1 is 1. Okay, now here value of P is 1, value of R is 0, 0 implies 1 is 1. Cut this, cut this. Value of Q in third we will write value of Q and 1 implies 1 is 1. Cut this, cut this. You may cut this too also. Our result is 0 1 and 1 when this expression is contradiction. So if we see option, it is always true when Q is false. Here Q is false, here Q is true, here also Q is true. Let me check. I have written wrong option. Always true when Q is true. So see, in this Q is false, it is false. Here Q is true, our expression is true. Here Q is true, our expression is true. So always true, Q is true is the correct answer.